Icon A5. The Icon A5 is a stunning amphibious light sport aircraft that bridges the gap between professional aviation and recreational flying. Designed with adventure in mind, the A5 can take off and land on both land and water, making it ideal for exploring remote destinations. Its foldable wings allow it to be easily transported and stored, while its compact size means you don't need a large hangar. The cockpit is designed to be user-friendly, even for beginner pilots, featuring a simple interface with an angle of attack indicator to enhance safety during flight. What's more, the A5 is equipped with a full aircraft parachute system, giving an added layer of security in emergencies. With its sleek design and emphasis on accessibility, the Icon A5 offers a new way for aviation enthusiasts to experience the freedom of the skies. TX-001. The TX-0001 is a revolutionary VTOL, vertical takeoff and landing, aircraft concept designed specifically for urban air mobility. Its drone-inspired design is compact and lightweight, allowing it to operate efficiently in crowded urban areas. One of its standout features is its advanced electric propulsion system, which ensures quiet operation and a reduced environmental footprint. The TX-0001 is built for versatility, offering quick takeoffs and landings with minimal space requirements. Whether it's zipping over traffic jams or reaching areas inaccessible by traditional vehicles, this prototype represents a leap forward in short-range aerial transportation. With its blend of efficiency, sustainability, and practicality, the TX-0001 could be a game-changer for urban commuting in the near future. Rolls-Royce eVTOL concept. Rolls-Royce's eVTOL concept is a luxurious and futuristic approach to urban air mobility. Designed for short-distance flights, this hybrid electric vehicle combines vertical takeoff and landing capabilities with a sleek, aerodynamic design. The cabin is spacious enough to accommodate up to 5 passengers, making it an ideal option for small group travel. Rolls-Royce's cutting-edge hybrid electric propulsion system not only ensures quieter flights but also minimizes emissions, aligning with the global push for greener aviation. This concept emphasizes comfort and style, showcasing a high-end interior and smooth ride quality that reflects the brand's commitment to excellence. By blending luxury with practicality, the Rolls-Royce eVTOL concept is paving the way for premium urban air travel solutions. XPeng X2. The XPeng X2 is an innovative flying car developed by XPeng Motors, a leader in electric vehicle technology. This two-seater eVTOL is fully electric and features a lightweight carbon fiber body that maximizes efficiency and minimizes energy consumption. What truly sets the X2 apart is its autonomous flight capability, which uses advanced navigation systems and AI to safely transport passengers without requiring a pilot. Designed for urban environments, the X2 operates quietly and produces zero emissions, making it a sustainable solution for the future of city commuting. With its futuristic design and cutting-edge technology, the XPeng X2 showcases the potential of combining electric vehicles with aviation. It's not just a concept, it's a step toward a future where flying cars become an everyday reality. UDX Airwolf Hoverbike. The UDX Airwolf Hoverbike is the ultimate combination of innovation, speed, and adventure. This one-person flying vehicle resembles a motorcycle, but operates with 4 powerful rotors that allow for vertical takeoff and landing. Its compact, drone-like design gives it the agility to navigate urban landscapes and remote terrains alike. Built for performance, the Airwolf is powered by an advanced battery system that delivers impressive speed and range while maintaining eco-friendliness. What makes this hoverbike particularly exciting is its potential for both recreational and practical use, from thrilling sky rides to emergency response missions. For those who dream of personal flight, the UDXAIRWOLF represents a bold and thrilling step forward. Aeromobile 3.0. The Aeromobile 3.0 is a groundbreaking flying car that offers the convenience of driving on roads and the freedom of taking to the skies. Its innovative design features foldable wings that tuck away when in driving mode, allowing it to function as a fully road-legal car. When it's time to fly, the wings extend, and the powerful engine propels it into the air. Capable of taking off and landing at standard airstrips, the Aeromobile 3.0 combines practicality with futuristic appeal. Inside, the cockpit is designed for both comfort and functionality, ensuring a seamless transition between driving and flying. Whether you're navigating city streets or soaring through the clouds, the Aeromobile 3.0 is a true testament to how the boundaries of personal transportation are being redefined. Airbus Pop-Up. The Airbus Pop-Up is a visionary concept that combines ground and air travel in a modular system. Developed in collaboration with Idle Design, the Pop-Up consists of a passenger capsule that can attach to either a ground module for driving or a drone module for flying. This unique system is designed to provide flexible and efficient transportation in congested urban areas. Artificial intelligence is at the core of the Pop-Up's operation, managing routes, traffic, and passenger preferences to optimize travel time. Fully electric and sustainable, the Pop-Up represents a bold reimagining of mobility by blending autonomous driving and flying into one cohesive system. With its futuristic design and versatile functionality, it offers a glimpse into how technology can solve the challenges of urban congestion. Rolls-Royce Accel. The Rolls-Royce Accel is an ambitious project aimed at creating the fastest all-electric airplane in the world. With a sleek aerodynamic design and cutting-edge battery technology, the Accel is built for speed, efficiency, and sustainability. It recently achieved record-breaking speeds of over 300 miles per hour, demonstrating the immense potential of electric propulsion in aviation. Beyond its performance, the Accel is also a showcase of Rolls-Royce's commitment to reducing carbon emissions and advancing sustainable aviation. The project is part of a broader push to develop eco-friendly solutions for high-performance aircraft, proving that electric aviation is not only viable but also revolutionary. Supernal SA2. The Supernal SA2 is an advanced eVTOL concept from Hyundai's Urban Air Mobility division. This electric aircraft is designed to provide quick, efficient, and eco-friendly transportation within cities. The SA2 features a spacious cabin equipped with advanced safety systems and a quiet propulsion mechanism, ensuring a comfortable and stress-free travel experience. Hyundai envisions integrating the SA2 into urban transportation networks, allowing passengers to bypass congested roads and drastically cut down travel times. With its focus on sustainability and seamless connectivity, the SA2 embodies Hyundai's vision of smarter, greener cities that prioritize convenience and environmental health. Bellwether eVTOL. The Bellwether eVTOL is a futuristic flying car concept that combines elegance, innovation, and practicality. Designed for individual commuters, this vehicle features a compact, aerodynamic frame that makes it easy to navigate crowded urban airspaces. Its vertical takeoff and landing capabilities eliminate the need for runways, while its electric propulsion system ensures quiet and eco-friendly operation. The Bellwether eVTOL is as stylish as it is functional, with a sleek design inspired by luxury sports cars. It's a bold vision of personal air mobility, offering a glimpse into a future where flying cars are not only possible, but also practical and accessible.